What is up, folks? This is Shady Tech. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and probably an overview of Samsung Galaxy M22 for 2021, and it's pretty new, just out in the market, so just carry around the box. At the back, we've got all the specifications, and this particularly in light blue, 120 GB of storage and 6 GB of RAM. Other than that, it's pretty much just a bare white container of a box. Galaxy M22, and there's not much else on the back. Alright, so I got a 6.4 AMOLED screen this time around. Quickly just unbox this thing. Okay, for the box, it's slide from up or bottom. It's really interesting considering it from alright, just put it a little bit there just for decoration purpose, I guess. Okay, at the top you got the kind of like a piece of box, a little small box here, which contains the usual manual and a warranty card in different kind of language, in Chinese, English, and pretty much it. And this is the phone itself. Okay, Infinity U display quad camera fingerprint scanner, which is on the right side here, also serve the purpose for power button. Let's just boot it up first, shall we? Unfortunately, there's no casing or whatsoever comes with the box. I believe there's a screen protector applied over there. We'll take a look at it later on. And okay, so here is the USB to USB-C kind of cable here, which is good to see. It's the standard nowadays with a 25 fast charging. It's written here 25 travel adapter. So it's good to see, and this is a UK style of adapter here. You put it up on a 3-pin UK style charger. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Nothing else in the box, and a little bit of SIM card 2 pin here down below. It's really bare actually, nothing much going on. Alright, so I was hoping maybe Galaxy M22 can give more, but I guess not. Here you... Alright, the certification of peeling it all the way around for the plastic. Okay, let's see at the back first. Oh, it's really light actually, considering it has like a 5000 mAh battery. Alright, so you can see that the bag is actually made from, I believe it's plastic. Feels like plastic though. And it's really really light. Actually, there's kind of like a texture, you can even hear the sound. Let me see. A little bit of texture all around this bluish kind of tone here. Pretty cool. It's kind of like a cyan kind of bluish, like more like I would say like a tint of a light blue to medium kind of blue here. And up top here you got the 4 quad with 48 megapixel with a single LED flash. On the right side, got the power button here and a volume rocker, the usual, and on the top we got the speaker here. And on the left side, we got a SIM injection for dual SIM here, and alright, nothing else here. And at the bottom, oh, you can see that it support 3.5mm headphone jack. Always a plus side for me, without having to use a dongle for all these non 3.5 headphone jack anymore. USB-C here, and a single speaker grill here down below here, and on top there got one front camera up here. Alright, so let's just boot it up on the first go. I have read everything, and I'm gonna skip everything. You're all set up, finish. and the initial battery is at 58%, which is good considering there's a little bit of bezel down below here, not by much I would say, considering it has a 6.4 AMOLED display, pretty bright. Let me just this is just like halfway, you can see that it's really bright. Okay, all the way to the max, super bright at, I believe it's around 600 nits, so it's super bright. So I'm just gonna put it in the middle here. It's not too bright, hopefully. Let's just quickly go to the settings, and for the initial part, let's see. Alright, right from the box you can see that the software information, this is running at Samsung 3.1 UI interface, and it's on Android versions 11. Google Play system is at April, 1st of April. That's a little bit like a few months ago. I think there's supposed to be update right away. But anyways, this is pretty new, considering it's the 11 Android versions 11. Just quickly go to a camera and take one initial photos, shall we? I just put everything on here. Right, let's see the result. Super crisp, and the AMOLED display is really punchy. And also this is running on 90Hz. Let me see if it's on 90Hz right from the box. Alright, so you can see that it is running on 90Hz high standard. Alright, I'm just gonna run through a little bit of the spec here. So it has 5000 mAh battery, 6.4 inch and 90Hz as I mentioned just now, and it's actually MediaTek chipset and it's actually MediaTek G80 chipset with graphic card Mali G52. So it's really interesting. I'm gonna test out some games in the next videos to come. Let's see how it runs on the latest games and everything like that. And this particular model is 6 GB of RAM with 128 GB of storage, 48 megapixel with OIS video stabilization, and it has 25 watts of fast charging. So that's pretty much it for this camera, for this phone. It's really solid and all around a good phone. I'm gonna do more testing on this, so stay tuned for the next video to come, and this is Shady Tech. See you soon.